Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off Facebook video autoplay. Friends, due to some reason if you want to turn off Facebook video autoplay, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on the three lines. Now here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Now here you will find option of media, press on it. Now here under autoplay in feed and shorts, you need to select never. Now here you can also select Wi-Fi only, but I will select never. Now after selecting never, videos on my Facebook will not play automatically. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off Facebook video autoplay. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.